Next topic is advantages of root modification. Already you study about the taproot modification. Here we want to study about the advantageous root modification. Here in advantageous root modification, first one is storage root. That storage root that can be able to classified into 5 major type. For tuberous root, next one is fasciculated root, next one is nodulous root, next one is moniliform or beaded root. Moniliform is otherwise call it as beaded root. Last one is call it as annulated root. Next, we want to study about the tuberous root. What is tuberous root? The tuberous roots are look like a tuber-like structure. Here, normally the roots are swollen. Here, the root is swollen without any definite shape. There is no regular shape. Then the tuberous root they produced singly, they produced separately. Here also it can be able to form the separately, not in a bunch or not in a cluster. Here the tuberous roots are produced singly and not in cluster. For example, Ipomia batus, in English or common name sweet potato, Chakravalli kalangu. That is a good example for the tuberous root. Next one is call it as fasciculated root. Fasciculated roots are normally cluster from the base of the stem. Here there is a picture for the dahlia, but the roots are cluster in nature. The roots are cluster in nature at the base of the stem. Then only it is called it as a fasciculated root. For example, dahlia, asparagus, rulia, these are the some of the example for fasciculated root. Dahlia plant is a flowering plant. Asparagus is one of the variety for ornamental purpose. The rulia also. Then third one is nodulous root. The nodulous root are normally nodules. They contain nodes. That is called it as a nodule. Then swelling occur only near the tip. Here you see the tip, that portion alone there is a swelling. Here there is a nodule that can be able to present. Then only it can be comes under the nodulous root. For example, normally curcuma longa, that is the turmeric manjal, curcuma amada, mango ginger, ma inji tamil visi, maranta, aro root. These are the some of the example for the nodulous root. Here mostly the root they can have the capacity to produce their nodes. Then only it is called it as a nodulous root. Next one is moniliform or a beaded root. Moniliform or a beaded root. The moniliform is otherwise call it as beaded root. Why we say as a beaded? The roots they produced a bead-like structure. Tamil we say pasi. There is a bead-like structure that can be able to produce. At the same time, the roots are swollen and frequent intervals. There is a swelling that can be able to present in one of the place. There is a interval between the another swelling, giving them a beaded-like appearance. Then only it is called it as a beaded root or moniliform root. For example, vitis. Vitis is nothing but grapes. Portulaca, then mormodica, then balsam, Indian spinach. The balsam we Tamil we say pasalakira, vitis means grapes. Next one is annulated root. Here the annulated roots are there is a regular interval for the root system. Annulated, what is the meaning of annulated? There is an annual ring-like structure, that is nothing but a spring-like structure. Then only it is called it as a annulated root. Here annulated roots have a series of ring-like swelling on their surface at a regular interval. Then only it is called it as a annulated root. For example, Psychotoria, Ipaca. Here there is a, you see clearly, here there is the root that can have the capacity to annulus like ring like structure that can be able to seen. Then only it is called it as a annulated root. Next one is call it as Next one is call it as mechanical support. The mechanical support that can be able to classified into 4 major category. Prop root or a pillar root, slit root or brace root, clinging root or clasping or clinging root or climbing root. Last one is buttress root. What is the meaning of prop root? Prop means normally pillar like structure. In some of the trees, they contain a pillar for support. For example, Ficus bengalensis, Indian banyan tree, Alamaram, Tamil we say. Here the roots are grown vertically from downward from the lateral branches into the soil, because the ficus tree contain a broad base. That broad base can withstand the capacity with the help of prop root. They contain or they give the mechanical support. These are the good example for the prop root. Banyan tree or and one more tree also there, Indian rubber tree. These are comes under the prop root. Next one is call it as silt root. Next one is call it as silt root. Silt root is otherwise call it as brace root. Here roots growing oblique from the basal node of the main stem. It is also give the mechanical support. Saccharum officinarum, Zea mays, pandanus. These are the good example for the slit root. Saccharum officinarum, sugar cane, Zea mays, maize plant. These are the some of the example for the slit root. Next one is call it as climbing root. Climbing means that can have the capacity to climb. That is otherwise call it as clasping or clinging root. Normally the climbing root are good example for the pepper nigrum, some of the ficus plant, pepper beetle, Tamil we say vettala. These are the good example for the climbing root. Normally roots are produced from the nodes of the stem. Here there is a node. That node they contain and they developed the root portion. Then only it can be able to comes under the climbing root. Attached themselves to support and helps in climbing with other plants. Then only it is called it as a climbing root. Then next character for the climbing root is they can have the capacity to hold foothold on the support. Then they are at the same time it also secrete a sticky juice which dries up in air attaching the root to support. Here for example Epipernum pinnatum, Piper beetle, Ficus plumula. These are the some of the example for climbing root. Epipermum pinnatum. Commonly we say money plant or pothos plant. Piper nigrum. Tamil we say vetrilai. These are the some of the example for the climbing root. Last one is call it as buttress root. The buttress roots they contain a heavy base. Normally Bombax plant are good example for the buttress root. Tamil we say ilavam panju maram. In some of the certain tree, the broad base that can be able to present. That broad base that can be able to present the outgrowth of the plant. They contain some of the, or it can be look like a buttress like root outgrowth develops towards their base around the trunk also. Then here the growth of the buttress tree that contain a oblique and downward, and it is also give the support to the huge trunk of the tree. For example Bombax, Tamil we say ilavam panju. That ilavam panju tree is the good example for the buttress root. These are the some of the classification that can be able to present in the adventitious root system.